Hey, beautiful babes. So welcome into Sugar Fingers. Beautiful babes. Hey, today's video is being brought to you by Nail Addict. They sent me over 5 beautiful nail polishes and 1 base coat and also this mini UV LED lamp. Now this nail lamp, I'm not going to break it open because I may use it in one of my, or give it away in one of my giveaways. So I'm going to leave that intact. I'll just use the one I have sitting out right now. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch these colors for y'all of these nail polishes. And Lucy's going to be my model for today. Say hey to Lucy, y'all. It's been a long time since y'all seen my girl. I know y'all probably thought she moved to Hollywood, but she's still here with me. She's faithful, she's loyal, you know. Can't find that too much these days, so Lucy's gonna be with me for a while. And you know your girl can't see, so I gotta put some eyeglasses on and swatch these colors. Just wanted to pop in for some fun today. And this will do it. So, you know, I can just slide these on Lucy's hand, get her all dolled up. See what sizes. She don't care what size you put on her. She don't care at all. If you want this, you can get this off of Amazon. I'll have the link below. She got her jewelry on, girl. You looking good. Looking good for the holidays. Yes, you are. Just like so. And for that pinky nail, what do we have? Yes, this is perfect. Since my nails look like trash, at least I can let yours look good, Lucy. All right. And let me just get the lamp plugged in here. All right, then we're good to go. So we'll just move these nail polishes over so y'all can see me swatch Lucy's nails here. Let's go with the white. Let's go with this one. Now this white one is called White Addict. But let me just tell you a little bit about Nail Addict while I swatch these nails. Nail Addict is an LA-based city company, and it is born because of their strong belief in the power of beauty. Also, they want to help all women and men to build their confidence no matter who they are or where they're from by giving them the best for their nails. NailAddict.com manufacturer and sell high quality vegan, 9-free and cruelty-free gel polishes as well as nail accessories. I will have their link below for you. And the next color I'm swatching here is called Baby Rose. On their website, they currently have 100 plus incredible colors, and they introduce new ones every single month. Now I'm just swatching these colors on my mannequin hand Lucy here, but if you're actually doing your nails, please make sure you have all of the available tools, and Nail Addict sells those on their website. You'll also need these materials. Gel polishes are designed to last longer than any other nail polish, and to ensure that, you'll need a base coat, which I have one of those. But since I'm using these faux nails, I don't necessarily need to use that, but you will also need a top coat when you finish applying the color, and a UV LED lamp, which again, all of these items are right on Nail Addict's website, so you don't have to worry. And to get the best out of these gels so you can enjoy your manicure up to 4 weeks, these tips you definitely need to make sure you take care of. Prep your nails by buffing them, getting rid of all the dirt. Make sure you have prepped your cuticles with a nice hand cream, and clean off the extra lotion off the nails, and apply, as I mentioned, your base coat and cure it. So next I'm going in with this beautiful pink, which is called Bliss Pink. Y'all, such beautiful colors. That's what you'll find on the website. Now just simply follow easy instructions that you get with your nail polish to make the best of your polishes. These polishes are almost like one layer polishes. They are very opaque, but you should paint a thin layer of your color and cure. Reapply up to 3 thin coats of gel for full coverage and a smooth finished look. Now, before you use the bottle of polish, shake your bottle prior to using it. That really helps out because some of these polishes can be more thick than others, so be careful of that. Wow, I've been eating a red for a long time. This one is pretty. And of course, once you finish, you use the base coat first on your nails, then your color, and then your top coat, and wipe away any kind of residue using alcohol. Now, I even do that, but the top coat I have is the no wipe top coat, and you can skip that step on that particular top coat. Now, the next color I'm diving into, y'all, so pretty and so perfect for Christmas. Electric red, so gorgeous. Let me just let you take a look at these polishes as I complete these steps, and I will be back in just a moment to talk with you. I love them so much, y'all. Oh, that last color is Black Addict. All right, this is what they're looking like. Let me go ahead and cure them. Wow, aren't those polishes so pretty, so pretty. I love them. I love them so much, y'all. Nice polishes from Nail Addict. Check them out on the website. The link is below. Any discount is also going to be there. Y'all, I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me right here on Sugar Fingers. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Nail Addict, for sending over those beautiful polishes. Yes, indeed. Love that, love that, love that. Listen, thanks so much for stopping by. It's been a minute since we've done some nails together. We didn't go all extreme, but you know we did something, okay? Y'all check out Nail Addict. I'm out of here. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now, but you know I'll be back to you right here on Sugar Fingers. So stick and stay for the fun. Keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.